Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel, Bookie's World YouTube channel. To my old subscribers, thank you for subscribing to my YouTube channel. And to anyone that will come across my YouTube channel, please subscribe, like, share, tell your friends and families about my YouTube channel, and turn on your notification bell so whenever I upload a new video you get notified. So today guys, I'm making a very delicious jollof rice. I'll be giving, please, I would like you guys to follow the recipe. You will definitely love it because this jollof rice is gonna taste very yummy. And guys, not only will it be delicious, it will also taste like jollof rice made with firewood or charcoal. Stay tuned guys and watch. See you later.